Good morning everyone. We are a team of 3 members. Our idea is project focusing on developing a test kit that can detect heavy metals in water.
The problem is clear. Heavy metals in water are a silent killer. Many communities, particularly in rural and developing areas, have no reliable means of knowing whether the water they drink is safe or not. These metals enter water supplies through industrial waste, mining activities, and old pipes. But most detection methods are either too expensive or inaccessible. Without intervention, millions of people are left vulnerable to severe health diseases causing every day.
Our solution is simple yet powerful. We are going to develop a portable test kit that uses colorimetric sensor to detect the heavy metals in water. This will be affordable and easy to use, giving anyone the ability to detect their water for safety. By providing immediate and visual results, it empowers communities to take control of their water, whether it is in village or urban centers. Progress so far. We have made a significant progress in our journey. After extensive researches for the best detection method, we have developed a working prototype of this test kit. The prototype used low material while maintaining its high accuracy for detecting the metals like lead and mercury. We have conducted initial tests and have seen already promising results. But we are refining the design to make it more reliable and user-friendly.
Moving forward, we have a clear plan for implementation. Over the next 2 months, we will finalize the design and begin field testing in collaboration with local government bodies. Within 6 months, we aim to scale the production and distribute the kits to the communities which they need most. Our estimate budget includes research, development, and initial production cost, and we are actively seeking partnership with suppliers and environmental organizations to expand our idea.